Hello everyone, how are you all? This side Nishtha Jain, and today we are going to make crafts related to Matchbox. For this we need cardboard, first we need glue, we need Matchbox obviously, then we need scissors, we need scale, and then we need a pen. Pen means it can be a sketch pen, it can be colored, black, anyone. And also you need some sheets which are A4 sized sheets. So first thing which you need to do is you have to cover this box with the paper obviously. It can be of any color and I'm doing it with the pink. First of all you have to cover it. Now first I would like to tell you that it has two parts. You all know it. Like this is the first one and the inside it and this you have the second one. You have to cover this first part the whole as like this all these sections have to be covered, and for the second part only this section and this one, this one and this one has to be covered. So you can do it with any of the color, and you have to use glue, pencil, scale and all these things, and do it with accurate measurements and cover both of these. We are going to make a tuxedo, and for this you need of this particular length you're going to use a paper. I'm using black color for that. What you need to do is you have to put the box inside it in between, and you have to take the measurements and keep it like that. Now after putting it there, you can put the glue on three of its sides, like on the back, in this one, like on the right and left part, which is the smaller parts, and you can paste it like this. Now from here, where the cut is there on the top, you have to make quite different, like a fold at the back, making a triangle like this, and even the triangle on the other side, something like this. Now after making those folds of the collar folds, which are a kind of a collar folds, it will look something like this. Now you can paste it there in this way, and this is a kind of a coat which will be formed. Now you have to put some glue on both sides and paste it. Now when you'll paste it, it will look something like this. Now you need to cut out some papers, or you can use buttons, or you can cut out squares, circle or any heart shape, and you have to use some glue and put these on the top, and like this you have to paste them here like four or like this in a series. Okay, now you need to paste them there. After putting it, you can even put some designs the way I've put the dots. Now you have to take a small piece of a paper and you have to cut a bow shape, and you can even make the designs on it and make it something like this. Now you have to put it on the top of it like this and put some glue at the back of it and paste it there. After pasting it there, it will look something like this, and now you can put the next part inside it and close it, and this card is completed. You can even write something on the card which you have put inside it. Thank you.